Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix net colon ERR underscore name underscore not underscore resolved in your Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you need to do is that you need to flush the DNS. How we can do that? Please proceed here at the button search bar, type for CMD. And from that, once you have seen a command prompt system under the best match, click for run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running the window. So in this blank window, I want you to type sorry, ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Click on enter key. Don't worry because I'll be including these commands at the YouTube description so you can simply copy them. This time type for netsh space winsock space reset. Click on the enter key again. And once it says here, successfully reset the winsock catalog, restart your computer to complete the reset. Close the window. Proceed here at the start. Proceed to the power menu option and click for restart. So check if the error has been fixed the moment you have done the first step. And if not, then we need to move on to the next solution. And that is to check your internet connection. That you need to ensure that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. So navigate to your taskbar at the bottom right side of that. You can see your Wi-Fi icon. Click on it. And then from here, click for this forward arrow key. And then from that, check if you are connected or not. So if mark here no internet access or no internet, try to connect to another device, another internet device. In that way, you'll be able to check the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.